everybody. So we're in the boat that everybody else is. We're staying at home and trying to stay safe and trying to keep busy. And we've gotten a lot of new subscribers on roXdawg's channel, which is awesome. We have loved seeing that. And as we're putting more video together, we want to know what you guys want to see. You know, you came for the rock crawler, but Alec does a lot of invention. He does a lot of innovation. He repurposes a lot of materials. We've always got projects going on in our business and on our farm here. We're trying to hunker down. I'm raising meat birds and I'm building a chicken coop, and he's repurposing things for the business too. So basically, we'd love to get feedback from you guys of what you would like to see on this channel. Videos of inventions he's working on, projects he's working on. Just, I don't know if you guys are interested in anything other than cars, but we live on our own farmstead here, and we do a lot of our own stuff, and we're going to continue to do that. And if people would like to see that, we'd love to show you. So please give us feedback. Please let us know what you'd like to see. And in the rest of this video, Alec's going to go over the changes he has made in the car the most recently, and also another project he's working on, a generator for our business. So I hope you enjoy it. Please give us feedback. And if you haven't subscribed, we love subscribers. So go ahead and hit that button. Thanks a lot.
Well, it's the 2nd of April, 16 degrees outside, which sucks. Everybody knows I love cold weather, but we're bored like everybody else, so we're gonna show what's going on in the shop right now. So since I got home, started doing some changing on the car. First thing I added was this up here, and this is a governor, electric governor to control the engine speed, so I don't have to do it, just because I don't have enough appendages to run everything. Still dialing it in, but it appears it's going to work. I've ran them before. The next thing I changed was, because I've got so much going on this control body over here, that I added this. Where my footrest was, I've added switches. Go ahead and to the back, and those switches will make the car get longer and shorter, so I can do that with that left foot that wasn't doing anything anyway but riding along. Changed the brakes so I can use either foot on the brakes. And with these power brakes, I had a long pedal, so I had lots of leverage. Don't need that. They work pretty well, or really well, like this. Changed the accelerator pedal, has now become the lever that moves the hydrostat forward. And I'm going to mount a lever here so I can pull it backwards with my toe as well. But that moves what I was using my hand on, which freed up this hand. So now my rear steer will be a switch to move the rear to the right or to the left. I can also, with these switches, raise the front end and lower the front end, raise the front and lower the front with one switch. I still have all my switches up here, so I can do each thing individually, but it just takes some load off this hand trying to run everything. I can still go forward and backwards, run the rear end backwards and the forward with this system. But rarely do you need that unless you're really caught up in something. You don't use it that much, so the foot lever take a lot of pressure off my hand running that. Okay, another thing I added, which I've wanted to do since I started rock crawling, is added this just a backup camera, so I can look out the back of the car. I'm going to add more cameras. I've just got the one on there now, or actually I've got two of them. One that shows the back view over the stuff, so I don't have to turn around to look to see what's back there, and then the one that shows the right rear tire, which unless you have a single seat car, in anything I've built, I just didn't find it very it just wasn't practical to make it. I just couldn't see the right rear. So hopefully this will let me see the rear. I'm going to do the same thing on the front up here so I can see in front of that right front tire. So that is the major changes to the control system. And I know it's all crude and everything, but I don't care. I like prototype. This is a prototype, so it's fast, quick. I can change it. If something else is not where it belongs, I can change it again. But so that part's about ready to test. Okay, here's another project we're working on in the shop. This is a generator for my business. Had some issues. The generator, which is gone now, had a regulator that was out that was going to cost more to fix than the generator's worth. So I'm going to use this engine, which is very low hourd and very good shape, to run a PTO driven generator. So that's what else we're doing in the shop right now is adapting this over to run another generator. The radiator's in the shop. We put it in the shop a couple days ago. So it's just a ongoing set of problems where you're always working on here. And we don't know what people want to see. Like I said, we're bored right now, so we're doing whatever we can to stay kind of busy. So tell us if you have anything you want to see or hear about as far whether rock crawling or what else we're doing. But right now I'm building an adapter to run the PTO. This is an 1800 RPM motor, which I need to turn 1000 RPM, so I'm building a pulley drive to do that. So that's what's going on now. So that's it for now.